how the tilt angle will affect on the solar radiation or solar output. This is a single panel which is having 50 watt. Okay, it is having 50 watt panel and its current is 18 volts around and current is 2.77 ampere. How the tilt angle affect on the solar panel? So there is a two devices are there. One device is known as the inclinometer. This is the what inclinometer. So the inclinometer shows the angle of the panel. So right now the angle is showing that 0 degrees. You can see here the 0 degrees. We're going to change the tilt here. Tilt 5 degrees button. Put the 5 degrees left. Now it is in the around 5 degrees. So what is the tilt angle? 5 degrees. So 0 level first. 0 voltage. So now the inclinometer is the 0 degrees. We'll check the voltage and current. First we'll check the voltage. Check the voltage. Now panel is the 0 degrees. So the panel in the 0 degrees. So we have taken the positive terminal is connected to positive probe and negative terminal is connected to negative probe. So now what is the voltage here? Now it is showing the voltage is around 18 volts. 18 volts. Now we'll check the current also. To check the current, we need to change the probe of the current. I'll switch off the multimeter to change to the probe. Okay. Then we're going to check the open circuit current. I'll just put in the 10 amperes. Okay. So now what is the current here? It is 1.88 amperes. 1.88 at the 0 degrees. Now we'll check the. Now we'll change the angle. Change the angle. మార్చద్దు bit. మళ్ళీ మార్చుకుందాం voltage. So okay. Let's change. Just అలానే పెట్టుకోవాలి తర్వాత మార్చుకుందాం voltage కి. So now the inclinometer I am changing here. It is to 5 degrees. Okay, no problem. 10 degrees పెట్టుకున్నా. This is now 10 degrees. So now 10 degrees. Now 10 degrees here.
Right side. 10 lo పెట్టా.
Okay. So now it is now change. Now we can see the change. Now current is now 2.15 amperes. 2.15 ampere. So now again I will change to the 20 degrees. Now I will change to the 20 degrees. Now change to the 20 degrees. Now you can check the current is now 2.33 ampere. 2.35 ampere. Again we will going to change the inclinometer
30 degrees.
30 degrees. The 30 degrees. Now we can check here 30 degrees. Inclinometer is done at 30 degrees. Now you can see the current is now it is around 2.45 ampere. Now you can clearly see this. If you change the angle of the solar panel, it will increase the solar radiation output. So the panel output is depends upon the intensity of the light and also depends upon the tilt angle. So it is depends upon generally on the latitude. So now if you change the direction, you can extract the maximum output power. I am in the Visakhapatnam. So it is around latitude is 18 degrees. So you can get 20 degrees or 20 to 30 degrees, we can get the maximum output.